Imagine this. It's the end of the month, and instead of dreading your bank statement, you're smiling. Your savings are growing, your finances are organized, and your future feels secure. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, stick around because today, I'm revealing the top 5 apps that make saving money effortless. Yes, even if you've never saved a dime before. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because number 5 might just change how you see your finances forever. Quick question. How many of you have downloaded budgeting apps that you swore would change your life, only to delete them 2 weeks later? Don't worry, you're not alone. First up, Acorns, where micro savings turn into macro results. Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change for you. Bought a coffee for $4.50? That extra 50 cents goes straight into your investment portfolio. Why it works? It's passive, meaning you don't have to lift a finger. And over time, those tiny deposits grow into something substantial. Or as I like to call it, the app that turns your Starbucks habit into stock market gains. Genius, right? And if investing isn't your thing yet, don't worry. Our next app is perfect for building financial habits without all the Wall Street vibes. You Need a Budget, or YNAB, is the app that gives every dollar you earn a job. Unlike other apps, YNAB doesn't just track your spending, it helps you plan it. Why you'll love it. It's all about control. With YNAB, you'll know exactly where your money's going before it leaves your account. Think of it this way. Every unplanned dollar is a missed opportunity for financial freedom. Can you afford to keep missing out? But hey, maybe budgeting feels overwhelming? Don't worry, our next app makes saving so simple, you'll feel like you're playing a game. Digit is the app that saves money for you, automatically. It analyzes your spending habits, predicts your upcoming bills, and sets aside small amounts you won't even miss. Here's the kicker. Digit guarantees you won't overdraft, so you're saving without stress. But what happens when you combine automation with rewards? That's where app number 4 comes in. Let's talk Honey, the app that saves you money while you shop. Add it to your browser, and Honey automatically finds and applies the best coupon codes at checkout. Why it's a must-have. Whether you're buying sneakers or snagging concert tickets, Honey ensures you're never paying full price again. It's like having that one friend who always knows about secret sales, but doesn't expect you to Venmo them for lunch. Now, we've covered saving, budgeting, and shopping, but what about growing your money effortlessly? That's where our final app steals the show. Last but not least, Robinhood. If you've ever thought investing was too complicated, this app will prove you wrong. Robinhood lets you trade stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, all with 0 commission fees. Imagine this. Every dollar you invest today could multiply in ways your savings account simply can't match. Isn't that exciting? But here's the thing. Saving and investing are only part of the puzzle. What happens when life throws an emergency your way? Do you have $1,000 set aside to handle it? If not, don't worry. I've got you covered in my next video. Now that you've got the tools to save effortlessly, it's time to take action. Download one or all of these apps and watch how quickly your finances transform. Ready to take your first step toward financial peace? Click the video on your screen now to learn exactly how to build a $1,000 emergency fund, even if you're starting from 0. Your future self will thank you.